Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for choosing to watch me again. In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look using Colourpop and Makeup Shayla's collaboration project called Proceed with Caution. These colors are so beautiful and you'll see them for yourself. But before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel right now. Let's get started and get into this look. Alright, to begin ladies, the first thing you always want to begin with is a washed and moisturized face. After that, we're going to get into these eyebrows. I'm starting off with the Nars Radiant Concealer to line my eyebrows. So I start with the bottom and I drag it towards the lid of my eye. And then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and hit the top, line the top of my eyebrow and drag it towards like my hairline. Then I go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, and my color is in dark brown, and I start to fill in my eyebrows. After I'm pretty satisfied with filling in my eyebrows, I go in with the Anastasia Brow Gel, and it's also in dark brown, and this stuff is like magic. It holds your hairs down as well as applies a really good color, but you want to use it lightly because it can be very intense. So now that your eyebrows are complete, we are going to start with the Proceed with Caution eyeshadow palette. These colors are so amazing. The first color I'm beginning with is called Gloves On, and it is that black color, but what I love about it, there are sparkles of like gold specks in it. It's so beautiful for a nighttime look or even a smoky eye that you're trying to achieve. It's so pretty, but I apply this in a patting motion. Afterwards, we're going in with a transition color, and I'm using the color Culture. It's very light on my skin tone. Not light, it actually blends right into my skin tone. So that's why I really like this color. And right under the transition color, we are going in with that mauve color, Maintenance. This color is amazing. I've been using it every single day lately. And you really don't need a lot when you apply it onto a brush. So you'll see I'm going in between a brush with product on it, and then the other brush that I'm using has no product on it, just so I can blend it out easier. Now I am taking some setting spray, and I'm using NYX Matte Finish, and I'm spraying it on a clean eyeshadow brush, and I'm going in with that color Hazard. This is the perfect color to apply right on top of gloves on, and I think it just is so pretty and it accentuates the look very, very well. And for the final step, I'm going back in with that color Culture, and I'm blending out my edges so that everything looks seamless. Now it's foundation time. So you all know my foundation, my favorite foundation at the moment is Fenty. I absolutely love this foundation, and my color is in the color 420. This foundation makes me look very warm, very even. I get a lot of compliments on it like on a daily basis, and it just works really, really well. I think you can have a dewy, full coverage look, but you're not leaving the day looking oily and it's just like take it off your face. This is perfect foundation. If you haven't tried it, please go get you some Fenty foundation. Now for concealer, I'm using my all-time favorite concealer, which is Nars Radiant Concealer. It is so good for hiding bags, but also highlighting. So I, of course, highlight it under my eye. I'm gonna hit the bridge of my nose, right above my lip and my chin. So after my concealer is set, I quickly go in with my Laura Mercier's translucent powder. And I say quickly because you want to do it directly after you set your concealer so that you prevent under eye creasing. And you want to apply a thin layer and blend it right on out. This stuff is amazing. It really looks seamless and flawless. And when you apply it, you do not have flashback. Y'all know what that is, when you take a picture with the flash on and it's just not cute afterwards. Not with this powder. Get you some. So now I'm going in with my Fenty bronzer, and the color I use is called Cocoa Naughty. So I'm going in and contouring my cheeks, my temples, I'm contouring my forehead, and of course my chin, just so I don't have that double chin action going on. And the final step, I'm going to go ahead and hit up my nose just to make it look a little bit more slender. And I just hit the bridge of my nose and I go ahead and square it off at the bottom. Then I take a clean blending brush and I blend out the product that I just applied on my contour of my nose, just so you don't see any harsh lines. So in this package, it came with 2 blushes, and the one that I'm using is the color called Construct. It's a warmer color, and I apply that right on top of my bronzer or my contour, and I think it really structures the look and really pulls it all together. Now I am highlighting the highest points of my cheek with the color in the palette called Dead End. It's a beautiful goldish highlight. Now to seal off the eyeshadow look, I'm going in with that color Maintenance, that mauve color, and I'm smoking out my lash line with this color. I believe it just brings the whole eyeshadow look together. At this point, you can go ahead and apply some falsies. I have eyelash extensions, so I did not need to. I'm only hitting up my lower lashes with some mascara, and then you'll see that I brush out my top lashes with a dry spoolie, no product on it. Now this is my favorite part of the entire look, the lips. So I'm going in with that color BFF3 that came in the package, and this is my favorite lip pencil at the moment. This is when I knew Shayla was for the culture. It's a beautiful brown for warmer skin tone girls, and I am going on top of that with the color Slow Down. When I say this is the perfect nude combination for my skin tone, OMG, I absolutely love this lip combination. All right, to finish the whole look, you're gonna go in with that NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, spray your face down, and look how beautiful this look is. You have a smoky, sultry eye with a bomb nude lip. I absolutely love this under construction project that Shayla partnered with Colourpop with. So if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment below what look you'd like to see from me next. Make sure you follow us on all my social medias and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys.